right, look at this. We're getting ready to take this beast to its first car show. That's right, we just dropped the engine in a couple weeks ago, and now it's just time to go. I towed it up here because I still need alignment, so I don't want to drive too far. But yeah, things are looking good. I got it a little closer on the tune-up side last night, so I got it idling good, and now I just gotta adjust the carb a little bit for some of that accelerator pump, so when I smack the throttle, it does what it's supposed to do. But anyways, for now, waiting on Sarah to grab a couple things, and it's time to go. Okay, so here we are at our first car show. What do you think, bud? We, of course, are trying to get Best Ford. Vote for number 14, Best Ford. They were kind enough to give us a front and center spot. Look at that. We're in Soldotna, Alaska. And yeah, this is our official first car show. We just got the thing running, so this is pretty cool to be able to show up. It looks great though. Lots of cool cars, and here we are. Okay, we're officially part of a car club now. This is our local car club. What do you think, West? Yay! The sun decided to come out. It's been looking great. Lots of people are showing up and checking out the car. Alright, so I figured while we wait and hang out, we'll do a little tour of the show. This is Alaska after all, so let's keep those expectations at a realistic level, please. Anyway, I guess we'll kind of start. This is the place where it starts. Don't expect me to know every detail about every car. I'm not that nerdy. Actually, it's not about being nerdy. I'm just not that educated, I should say. But look at this. A fellow competitor. Looks like a 69 to 428. Yeah. Oh yeah, 4-speed. Louvers. Yep. Naturally, I am attracted to that one. Got a Barracuda. A Camino. This thing's pretty mean looking. I kind of like it. There we go. Oh yeah. This one's cool. Got a matching trailer behind it. This is the main road, Sterling Highway. That actually is, if you were to take the road and keep on going south about 60 miles, that's where I live in Homer. Well, Anchor Point, but close enough. So, being that it's on the main drag, if you were coming up or down, hey, what do you see over there? That's right, front and center. I didn't choose that, they chose it. So that's how it looks in a line. Everyone was popping their hood, so I thought I'd do the same. Even though my engine bay needs a lot of cleanup and detail, but it still looks good. Nice Charger. Here we go. Side pipes, y'all. So you can see each person has a sticker, so in the class that they're trying to be voted for. We also have a Corvette club from Anchorage that drove down, so you will see a couple dozen Corvettes. All sorts of years, generations. It's a lot of Corvettes. Is that a fire chicken? Is that what they call those? All the way to the newer ones. They look good, but to me, or they look kind of like a Ferrari or McLaren or something. That's got a good stance. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The show isn't huge. It's just kind of a small local thing. But the weather's really nice. It's probably like 65, overcast, and then the sun comes out and it gets close to like 70, which is hot for up here, of course. A friend of mine, David, he is the one who actually turned me on to the car that I have now, but this is his, one of his many. Got that fold down rear seat, of course. Then we're back over to where I'm at. I got my whole family here today. Look at this, got a clan.
Where is it? That's at the Western Airport.
My dog River.
Western. Where are you going?
There we go.
Where are you going?
And then there's Mama. She's bringing food. Right here.
Thanks. Look. Thought I got trophy.
Best forward, buddy.
Car, so it might be River Days again.
Glad you came.
That's his first show.
Yeah, first show ever.
Awesome. Good job. Good job. Congratulations.
Yeah, I started registration 2 years ago, and I just got the engine in 2 weeks ago, so.
Awesome. That is awesome.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I want to thank.
I can't believe it. So not only did we win the Best Ford category, but we were blessed enough to get Best of Show. So, this is our first ever show with this car, and as you can tell, I'm not excited at all. But here you go. All the hard work the last 2 years, our first car show ever, and we were able to bring home a couple trophies, so we're super grateful, super proud. Now it's time to go celebrate, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yay!